Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing O'Connell's Yogi Bear Park Model 34. It's a non-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Located 3.9 miles from Amboy Depot Museum, O'Connell's Yogi Bear Park Model 34 offers air-conditioned accommodations with a patio. All units comprise a seating area with a sofa, a dining area, and a fully equipped kitchenette with various cooking facilities, including a microwave, a fridge, a stovetop, and a toaster. Taylor Airport is 1.6 miles from the resort village, while Lee Center is 2 miles away. The nearest airport is Chicago Rockford International Airport, 55 miles from O'Connell's Yogi Bear Park Model 34. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.